Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, fractal Bitcoin. Welcome to today's Bitcoin news video. I'm Chris. Let's get right into it. Here's the chart. Guys, it's over. The bull run's over. Everything's over. Bitcoin's going to zero. It's over. Yeah. So right now we're at $67,249. You can see today we dropped a little bit more, but this is after, a few weeks. Actually, the whole month of May, we've been going up. And we've had pullbacks along the way, and this is just one of those pullbacks. Nothing really wrong with it. You know what I mean? Barry, what do you, my producer Barry, what do you think about how the chart looks right now?
That's frightening.
It's frightening. It's not frightening. It's fine. All right, let's continue. Bitcoin is still following a similar path to 2016, 2017. Once that 2021 all-time high breaks, there will be no stopping the king. Bitcoin to 100,000. And here's the chart he's referencing. Yeah, this is back in 2016, 2017. The green, see the green uptrend here? Boom. That's kind of right where we are. And you can see even back here, we had these massive pullbacks, right? I think in this bull run back here, we had a couple 40% pullbacks, or at least high 30s% pullbacks. Massive pullbacks. This one we have right now is like 21%, I think, or 24. It's not that big at all. Yeah, Bitcoin's looking more like the 2017 cycle every week. Similar price action, similar RSI. Everything is lined up. And here's let me click on it, make it bigger. Yeah, same thing. The RSI even looks similar, which is good. This is all good indicators here. And here's Rect Capital. We are here in the green circle. And if you can't really see the recent dip, that's precisely the point of this post. Yeah, look at our massive recent dip. You can't even see it on this chart. But yeah, all the green circles are where we're poised. Actually, it's where we reach the old all-time high. And we sort of pause there, have a little, we retrace a little, and then boom. Same thing here, old all-time high, retrace a little, boom. And same thing here, old all-time high, boom. It's just what's going to happen. And here's the rational root with his amazing cheat sheet here, his circular image. Yeah, hopeful but calm, everyone. Yeah, and so let's look at this. We've gone over this before. This is an awesome graphic here. And you could see these green dots. By the way, this is the start of Bitcoin. And then as the halving cycles happen, you see each epoch. And these green dots here are the all-time highs when it makes a new all-time high. And these red dots are when it makes a cycle low. And right now we're over here. By the way, and we already put in our all-time high, a couple months ago. 6-8 weeks ago, and now we're right here. But look, we're not really going to get to the new all-time high, the cycle peak, I should say, until another 18 months till we get over to this quadrant. So right now we're here. We're going to have to go all the way over. By the time we get over here, somewhere in this area, plus or minus, we're going to make, the cycle top, and we're not even close to that. We're literally 18 months away. So hold on. And stack. Yeah, all your models are destroyed when Godzilla arrives. Oh, yeah. Let's get the Godzilla candle. Oh, I can't wait. And this guy here, or someone from Fundstrat, says $150,000 Bitcoin this year is their base case. Bitcoin is early in an upcycle. Yeah, and again, $150,000 this year. That's not next year. Next year, we're going to probably double that or triple that or more. Who knows? So, man, so bullish. It's a great time to be involved in Bitcoin. This is breaking news. U.S. Senator Cynthia Loomis says we are building a pro-crypto army in Congress. Okay. I don't know what that means. But yeah, this bill here, the FIT-21, that just passed the House, it protects self-custody. This is essential to digital asset market structure, but also essential to defending freedom. Yeah, self-custody means possession of your own private property rather than an account where a third party holds your money or property. Permissionless peer-to-peer transactions are like cash, no third party needed. Everything else is essentially a permission system where someone else can monitor, filter, and profit from your transactions. So yeah, look, this is the government, the beginnings of adopting Bitcoin, adopting. It's not really adopting, but it's not persecuting. Maybe that's a better term to use, right? And here's a signal. Talk about market signals. Nancy Pelosi voted in favor of the bill. So that means Bitcoin's definitely going to 500K this cycle because everything she invests in goes way up, right? Because she has all the insider information, right? So the fact that she voted for the bill to, pro-Bitcoin bill, you can think of it that way, that means Bitcoin's going to go crazy this cycle. Oh, God. All right, more adoption news. Zappo Bank becomes the first fully licensed bank to integrate the Bitcoin Lightning Network for deposits. Okay, so now there's a bank you can deposit to a bank account through Lightning? That's awesome. Adoption. All right, just a reminder to subscribe if you'd like to, and let's get into some fiat government nonsense for context because Bitcoin solves these issues. Yeah, this is China. Look at this. China ramps up de-dollarization efforts by dumping a record amount of U.S. bonds. And yeah, Wall Street Silver here says they are dumping the U.S. dollar and buying massive amounts of gold. China is preparing for something big. Yeah, the whole de-dollarization thing is major. This is like the U.S. empire going down. It's happening in slow motion, but it is happening. These are unmistakable signs. You can't argue with these signs. And here's Michelle Weekly saying, yeah, the whole girl boss thing was a government psyop, opt out, save in Bitcoin. And what she's referencing is, when you realize the feminist movement is a government scam so that they can get the other half of the population working, so they double the tax intake and raise your children by their standards. Yeah, this is on another topic, but again, this is fiat garbage. I love the idea of fiat, not just fiat money, but fiat living, fiat food, fiat education. Government education is fiat education. Anyway, we just have to wake up to all these things. That's why I report some of these things. And here, whistleblowers at UCLA Medical School say it has dramatically lowered admission standards for minority applicants. As a result, they say 50% of some cohorts now fail basic tests of medical competence. Yeah, we've obtained shocking internal data, and this is a whole thread. Of course, I'll link to it below. But yeah, this is what happens when all, the standards are lowered. And even for doctors, right? And, students, med students, they're not going to know what they're doing. And this is scary. It seems like all standards are being lowered. Why? Because of inclusion and whatever else garbage. And guess what? We're all going to suffer. The doctors are not going to be as good as they were because they don't have to be. Right? They don't have to be. Scary. Very scary. Yeah, the election campaign's heating up. Will you comply? Oh, yeah, because here is the Spectator Index reporting breaking. Human case of H5N1 bird flu reported at a dairy farm in Michigan. Here comes the fear. Here comes the next pandemic, the next big thing, the next tragedy. And the next, it's all to take away your freedoms. It's all to disrupt the election, everything. This is what's going to happen. So now, look, after 4 years ago, now you know what happens with that other stupid thing, the scam they pulled. It's a scam. So when the next scam comes, just know that it's a scam up front. And the signs are easy to tell. It's not hard to tell. So you don't have to buy into their scam and inject yourself with garbage and all this stuff. Don't do it. And here's this idiot. Remember, I've showed clips of this guy before. This is so funny. He's in Congress. This is Congressman Brad Sherman. He says, cryptocurrency literally means hidden money, And if it ever becomes a currency, it means we will never be able to enforce our tax laws. Exactly.
Oh, forget it.
I'm telling you, Barry, that's this. These guys are like, wait a minute, how are we going to tax you into oblivion if they use cryptocurrency? And all of us, Bitcoiners and freedom and liberty people are like, exactly, you can't. You're done. They're dying and they're whining and complaining. It's like that other WEF idiot I reported on yesterday. They're literally like little whining babies. Oh, the scam we've been doing for 60 years. It's not going to work anymore. Exactly. And this is bad news. Effective immediately, HODL has blocked access to its lending platform for users in the USA. This is another Bitcoin company that is having to pull out of the United States because of regulatory issues and law issues and avoiding lawsuits. It's really bad. But anyway, we're fighting our way through it. But it's sad to see this kind of thing. All right, here's a brand new documentary. It's a BTC Pay documentary. It's called My Trust in You is Broken. It's been premiering for about the past month, but literally just 17 or 18 hours ago, it was released on YouTube. This is it. I'll link to it below. It's 42 minutes long. Definitely check this out. This is a must-watch. I mean, really, this is really a must-watch, so that's a great one. And also this one, Tyler Zed actually mentioned this one, End of the Road, How Money Became Worthless. And this is about 55 minutes. It's a documentary. Definitely watch this one as well. This is really good information. And we have to keep educating ourselves in this way, right? I mean, the corporate media, the mainstream corporate media, they're never going to explain stuff like this, right? They hide all this stuff. All they're doing is spewing propaganda 24/7. That's all they do. So we have to ourselves, and with the help of each other, find actual education that actually shines a light on what the heck is happening in the world, right? So this is really good stuff. All right, here's a post from Open Mic, the Sovereign Music and Value for Value community. This is on Nostr. And yeah, he just lists all kinds of platforms and people who are all into sovereign music and value for value, including Wavelake, Fountain, Tunester, Phantom Power Media, Lightning Store, Stemster. It's great. So if you want to check out new platforms, new music on Nostr, this is it. I'll link to it below. If you don't have a Nostr account yet, definitely get one. It's free and it's awesome. And you can connect with Fractal Bitcoin on there as well. And here you go. I was told there would be God candles. I was told there would be God candles. Yeah, it's coming, buddy. It's coming. This is our website, fractalbitcoin.com. Click this link on the top here. Join our locals community. And here it is, our locals community. Yeah, it's growing. It's awesome. It's free to join. You can check out the post. And don't forget, every Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern, we do the Bitcoin panel live stream. It's a bunch of Bitcoiners hanging out, talking Bitcoin. That's it. That's it for today. Thank you for all your support. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please do, or follow the channel on Rumble. And if you're on YouTube, that's great. But if you want to also follow on Rumble, please do. YouTube is, yeah. Anyway, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Bitcoin news video. All right. See ya.